Feathery allows you to use AI to create any workflow, from client onboarding to account opening to servicing and transitions, all embedded into all of your core systems. Now, let's say I want to go ahead and create a new digital client onboarding experience. I'll go ahead and open Feathery's AI assistant and tell it exactly what I want. Then it will automatically generate all the necessary elements within the Feathery builder. It's going to go ahead and configure all the UIs, the necessary integrations to Salesforce, Box, and eMoney. And this is using our pre-built, secure, enterprise-grade integrations. And the AI is handling the rest. And so it's going to go ahead and walk me through all the different steps it's taking in terms of configuring the integrations, setting up all the fields, all the conditional logic. And once it creates the workflow, it's going to take me there, and I can directly edit it myself through Feathery's drag and drop interface. And I continue to make changes from there. So now the form's ready. It's going to take me here. I see it took me to initial landing page for the client's information, and the client can enter their first name, basic information, different parties, different family members, etc. So if I wanted to make a change myself, I can go ahead and easily add different fields, different text. It's very simple to use. But let's say I want to add a new step here, and I want to add a step that allows the client to upload their investment statement and have the AI extract data from those statements and generate a spreadsheet with the holdings and send that to Box. I'll tell the AI assistant I want to add that, and it's going to go ahead and configure the AI extraction as well as the different integrations. So once it makes that change, it'll go ahead and update it. And you'll see here it added this new step for the client to add their different statements. I can go through it live. So let's say I want to run through this. So let's pretend I'm a client. So I can go ahead and upload an investment statement like the Schwab statement. And what happens next is the AI will automatically read the statement. And the statement could be in any format. It could be, this is a Schwab statement. It could be Fidelity. It could be any different format. Handwritten documents. And the AI will extract the data very quickly. And so it read the client's information. And then it actually pulled all the different holdings for that client and then sends it in a spreadsheet to Box. So that's a quick example. So now that the client has actually filled out their information, we can go through the next workflow. So let's pretend I'm an advisor or office staff. Then I can go through the account opening workflow for this client. So I'll search them up. And this is, of course, integrated to different systems like their Salesforce. And so I can go ahead and see as well that we can grab that client's information. Next, I can go ahead and select, let's say, Fidelity. If I want to open an account with Fidelity, let's say an individual account, and it'll automatically map all the necessary fields. Of course, this could be a whole household. I could add many different types of accounts at once. And then I can select that Dana will be the primary owner. And then this will go ahead and take all the different fields that we collected for that client and pre-fill all the necessary paperwork. I can also open accounts via API to the custodians. So you will see here, it filled out the data that was collected. And then I can go ahead and press sign and send this to the client via DocuSign and add my own forms as well for my RIA. And that's a quick workflow that we built in Feathery in just about a couple minutes. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye. We can also see here that the AI agent automatically mapped all the fields in the UI to Salesforce. So anytime a client fills out the workflow, it'll create a new contact in Salesforce.